Want to use ChatGPT to help manage your Zoho Mail? Here's how to connect them. Connect ChatGPT with your Zoho Mail account. Start by signing in to Zoho Mail and navigating to Settings, then Integrations or APIs. You'll need to create or use an existing API key or token that allows external apps to access your email. Next, go to the platform where you use ChatGPT, for example, OpenAI API or a workflow automation tool like Zoho Flow or Zapier, and enter your Zoho Mail API credentials to authorize access. Once connected, you can set up workflows such as automatically summarizing emails, generating email drafts with ChatGPT, or organizing responses based on AI analysis. Make sure to test the integration with a few emails first and verify that permissions and privacy settings are correctly configured. That's it. ChatGPT is now connected to Zoho Mail for smarter email management. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.